Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, today's video contains a very beautiful, unique and stylish concept, that is how you can design your dresses with the help of very beautiful single-sided left panel, or you can use right-sided neckline embroidery designs. So single-sided neckline embroidery designs are very beautiful, pretty, and they could be made onto your simple, normal, everyday, casual and formal shirts also. So this video is in the continuation of my previous video, into which I have shared a very beautiful collection of single-sided, one-sided neckline embroidery pattern. This is somewhat a new design idea, a unique and a stylized pattern. For making single-sided neckline embroidery designs, I would recommend you to use a more creative DIY thing. That is, you can make a floral embroidery motif onto one side of the neckline. That will absolutely give look of single-sided neckline embroidery. So now we will discuss that where you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery that are specifically designed for being single-sidedness. So you can use them for making onto your shirts, sweatshirts. Even you can also make them onto your closed front closed sweaters, onto your shirts, kurti, onto your bodycon dresses, even onto your half length, medium length, and quarter length shirts or dresses. And these could be equally designed for Western as well as Eastern looks. So the beauty and creativity makes them more elegant. And now we will talk about the type of the necklines. Then you can use to embroider these patterns onto your bot neck dresses, onto your deep V-neck dresses, onto your cut line dresses, onto your front open dresses, onto your square shaped necklines, onto your crew neck style necklines, and different type of neckline embroidery patterns could be used for this type of styling of embroidery, that is single-sided embroidery. So now you are getting embroidery patterns of sleeves also. And the beauty and creativity of this video is that you can equally use these beautiful patterns of embroidery for machine embroidery also. So I would recommend you to don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and leave comments in the comment section that which design you like the most. And keep supporting us, keep loving us, because with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Thank you so much for watching.